Why is Vicky always coming back here? She thinks she must. Yeah, she's just gonna get herself stuck again in the current. Oh dear, I'm afraid I have bad news. Other than that I cannot see because of this blasted sunscreen in my eyes. I had to jump the fence again and it hooked my shoelaces or something, and then I bumped the boat into the fence and now we have a hole here. So I'm afraid all our plans are now to the moon, unless we quickly take the boat until it completely deflates just out here somewhere. It's probably good advice never to willingly get onto a sinking ship. But what you gonna do? Can it even still hold us up? Because it's now so deflated. And it can. Yeah, it's actually holding me. Only just. But it's holding me, yeah. Just mustn't go into the bushes. Disembark now, because the fence is right here. And I'm disembarking. Alrighty. Oh, there goes the oar. We still have it, yes. Still have it, fortunately. But now we have to go way back to get our action camera. Where is it? Oh, there it is. It is still on. Oh, what's happened here? Completely fogged up. I don't know how other people use sunscreen, but this sunscreen is really unbearable in my eyes now. So let me just take a swim or something and wash my face, and yeah, hopefully things will be better.